Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a passport-size photo in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, open Photoshop, then go to File in Open and select your image in Open. Then select Crop Tool from the Tools bars. Then select the ratio of the image. Width 1.5 inch, height 2 inch. Then click on OK. Then go to Image and select Size and resize the image size. Then go to Layer and double-click on Layer to create a new layer and OK. Then go Edit and select Stroke in. Click on OK. Then press Ctrl+T to transform. Then go to Edit and select Define Pattern and click on OK. Then go to New and create a new canvas. Size is width 1,200, height 800, resolution 200 pixels, and click on OK. Then go to Edit and select Fill. Then select your pattern and click on OK. That's it, your passport size is ready. Thanks for watching.